They say love finds you when you least expect it. I never believed that, until the morning I almost fell off my bike. Just a tiny moment, a voice behind me saying, "Nice save." And somehow, everything changed after that. What started as a random Saturday in the park turned into something I never saw coming. Something quiet, steady, and unforgettable. Watch the full story, when I wasn't looking, on my YouTube channel. Because sometimes, the smallest moments change everything. Everyone holds memories that deserve to be heard. If there's a moment you've lived, about love, loss, change, or anything that left a mark, email me your story. I'll tell it here, anonymously and with care.